This video is all about using trig to find the size of an angle in a right angle triangle. And the best thing to do is just to take you through an example. So if I have a right angle triangle here, there's my right angle. And when you're trying to find an angle, you need at least two sides. So the first thing to do is I'm just going to put, this is the angle, theta, which is a common symbol we use for angle sizes. And I'll just say the two sides, let's go, I don't know, 8 centimeters over here, and let's go, I don't know, 17 centimeters on this side. Now, finding an angle, the process to go through is very similar to finding the length of a side. It's just at the very end that you do something slightly different. So, first thing is, we need to label the sides of the triangle. So, this side here, where the 17 centimeters is, that's the hypotenuse. And then the side where the 8 centimeters is opposite the angle, so that's the opposite side. So we're using the opposite and we're using the hypotenuse. That means we're going to be using the sine function, the SOH, for SOHCAHTOA. So if I go SOH on the triangle there, I now fill out the parts of the triangle. Now the angle this time, the S, the sine, it's a bit different. It's got theta. So we go sine of theta, or whatever letter's there. The opposite side is 8, and the hypotenuse is 17. So our working now, this is where it gets a little bit different to what we've done before. So first of all, we write out the sine of theta, because that's what we're looking for. That is equal to 8 over 17, so 8 divided by 17. Now theta, we want theta on its own. We don't want the sine of theta. So we have to remember our algebraic rules is that we need to get this sine part onto the other side of the equation. And to do that, we do its inverse. We do the opposite. So it becomes theta is equal to the inverse sine button, or the inverse sine, which you'll find on your calculators if you go the shift or the function button and then above the sine button. So sine, inverse of sine, and then I usually put it in brackets just to solve any problems, 8 divided by 17. And if I do that on my calculator, I get 28.07. Now with angles, we tend to round them to one decimal place. So if we round that to one decimal place, it becomes 28.1 degrees. Okay?